Living with acne can be difficult, with most insurance providers unwilling to cover leading-edge or tailored treatment options. Many are left to search for solutions on their own, wasting time and money in the process. Acne is painful and sometimes never-ending, and almost always destructive to one's self-esteem. With endless answers to clear skin online and in the media, it's hard to know which solution is right for you. And more importantly, which product will effectively treat your acne subtype. Acne is a very complicated condition, despite being common, and comes in lots of different variations and combinations. This means that treating acne properly takes skill and knowledge, so the right medication sets are matched with the right type of acne. Because true customization is rarely done, up to 80% of people fail traditional treatment offerings. SkinHappy has created a solution to improve this cure rate dramatically. And we have vowed to help each patient face the world with confidence and healthy skin. So at SkinHappy, we recommend that you keep it simple and use something called the KISS principle. I used to be in the Army, and we use the keep it simple, silly principle. And I want you to do that too with retinoids. The hard part about retinoids is finding one that you can tolerate. We've taken the difficulty out of that by creating a very sophisticated and powerful yet extraordinarily gentle skincare solution series called the SkinHappy Solution Series 1 through 7. With this formula series, you can start with lower levels and tolerize your skin to using retinoids on a daily basis, twice a day, whether or not you're in the sun. You don't get a retinoid reaction. You can use it on eyelids, you can use it on delicate skin, and you can enjoy the benefit of retinoids every single day. The revolutionary SkinHappy Solution series is a retinoid line that is fundamental for any and all skin types, especially for those who have tried everything and have had no luck getting around the retinoid reaction. So what are retinoids? Retinoids are a family of molecules derived from vitamin A with a complex biology, from the storage form of retinyl ester, retinyl palmitates, to retinol and retinoic acid or tretinoin. Most commonly, they are used topically to improve skin function and overall health. They have a huge array of benefits that they can produce on skin. Retinoids bind to DNA and turn on and off machinery that helps our skin work effectively. So retinoids are the great skin normalizers, and they will work to actively help many different conditions and can be sometimes almost miraculous for acne. Clusters of retinoid receptors reside within the DNA of our cells and all skin cells. And introducing this molecule, which has been depleted by sun, allows us to return to better skin function. And adding more and more retinoid over time will allow the body to create more receptors to grab more of that molecule and therefore help us better as time goes on. Retinoids are kind of like the fluoride of skin repair, providing a range of health benefits. With proven efficacy and outstanding results, it's no wonder that dermatologists everywhere are recommending retinoids topically for regular skincare routines. Retinoids normalize skin and strengthen the barrier and improve the overall look and appearance and health of skin, including protecting you from skin cancer. So certain forms of retinoids, which is again the great family of retinoid molecules or vitamin A molecules, are very fragile to heat, light, and air. Two of the classics are retinol and tretinoin, or all-trans retinoic acid. These are very susceptible to heat, light, and air breakdown. And so when you have a product that is an over-the-counter, such as retinol, and it is in this form, What happens is you don't know as the consumer how long this product has been on the shelf life and how much heat it was exposed to or anything else. You don't know that lifetime history of the retinoid, and therefore you don't know the active state of that product by the time you receive it. At SkinHappy, we timestamp all of our products and make sure that they are fresh for our consumers and make sure that the patients will get them at the peak of activity. So at SkinHappy, we can assure you that we take great pains to make sure our products are fresh. They have long shelf lives and that the product you will get will be active on your skin. So what makes the SkinHappy Solution series different from other retinoids on the market, either prescription or non-prescription? Well, one is that it's safe for all ages. See the guide below for specific directions for levels. Number two, the 7 retinoid levels that we have created within this skincare line allows your skin to build tolerance, avoiding the retinoid reaction. Number 3, the quality is something that you can trust. The product slides into skin and is tolerable by people with oily skin, with dry skin, with sensitive skin, with old skin, with young skin. Let us share with you our secret approach to maintaining happy and healthy skin that will improve your acne. We know the emotional toll that acne can take, and SkinHappy is dedicated to getting you better by developing a system that everyone can tolerate, no matter what your age. This patent-pending solution simplifies the process of implementing a retinoid serum into your daily regime and is the only skincare line known to allow the use of retinoids twice a day, and the only line that is suitable for delicate skin or children's skin. We have created a formula that will allow you to accommodate the retinoid early on, starting with low levels and progressing up to the higher strength levels as you go. It's a simple numerical system. Most adults can start with level 4 and use it twice a day without fear of a retinoid reaction in sunlight. You also won't have a retinoid reaction if you use it close to your eyes, nose, or mouth, which is a common area for individuals to get retinoid reactions to most traditional retinoids. Not only are these comfortable, but we have proven that these are equally or more effective than most available retinoids online. A common issue we see today is the overcomplication of implementing retinoids into a skincare routine. Applying it before bedtime, using it every day, twice a day, using it in cycles, trying to use it only with specific moisturizers, don't mix it with other products. This makes the idea of developing a skincare routine incorporating retinoids daunting and, for some, nearly impossible to follow. Remember, keep it simple, silly. Use your Retinoid SkinHappy Solution Serum with your sunblock in the morning, with your other products in the evening, and follow your additional skincare regime advised by your dermatologist. So start with a level 4 for most adults or 1 for young children, and ramp up over time as your skin has accommodated. Once you finish the product in the bottle, which usually lasts you about 3 months, step up to the next level and follow that until you can get to the highest level that your skin allows. Over the years, I've had many patients visiting me who have felt defeated or have told me that they've tried all the retinoids and they can't tolerate any. I was sort of like one of those people. I used to get retinoid reactions all the time and try everything that came out on the market, prescription or otherwise. And I understand very well the retinoid reaction, the irritation, the sensitivity, the peeling, the feeling unattractive, and the anxiety that can be a result of that. For those of you who might be in this boat, we've got a solution for you. Retinoids have amazing properties, and you don't want to deny your skin that. You want to build up your tolerance to handle higher and higher strengths, and you want a product that will not produce a retinoid reaction. Within my practice of dermatology, I routinely see patients with sensitive skin, patients with rosacea or other sensitive skin disorders who need and want to be on retinoids, but feel they can't tolerate any of the available formulations. I've spent much of my career evaluating different retinoids for both tolerability and efficacy. And I have come up with this very sophisticated and very comfortable skincare line for individuals like you. Although the SkinHappy Solution series serum may not be the only answer to clearing your particular type of acne, pairing this serum with my specific prescription recommended additional molecules has resulted in unparalleled results. Blackheads, whiteheads, active acne, even cystic acne and hormonal acne, as well as the hyperpigmentation or brown spots that you can see from your acne or the scarring that you can see from acne are all helped with retinoids. These are fundamental to getting your skin back in its pre-acne state. Start building your tolerance to retinoids now and start with the lower levels and progress up. And kiss your acne goodbye with the SkinHappy Solution Serum. See how SkinHappy can make you face the world with confidence.